channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today, let's address a couple things. The butterflies and this little poster and that little eggplant are from my friend Jessica here on YouTube. She's hilarious. She recently sent me a big old package of a bunch of stuff, and it's an inside joke with the emojis with us, so you just have to come to our lives, especially hers, or even look at our comments on each other's videos, and you'll eventually get the joke. But these butterflies are freaking awesome. So anyway, today I got my Sephora play-in, so I'm excited. It says July A, 2018, variation A, I don't know. So yeah, I just got the notice that this shipped out Friday. More of the good stuff. Let's see what the theme is this month. Drinking the goodness. Beauty blends. Good for you ingredients that aren't just for your drink. It's got brightness blast, all about those oranges, revitalize skin with a powerful punch of vitamin C that's filled with antioxidants. Superfood swirl. Kale and acai berries are more than smoothie favorites when used in skincare. They also hydrate and fight free radicals. Cleaning cooler is invigorate while you eliminate. Face washes with oils like lavender or argan clean without drying skin. Root revival, awaken those strands with ginger or ginseng, which support healthy hair growth by stimulating the scalp. It's actually interesting. It has like ingredients that are good for you. Healthy add-ons. Look for products that put these beneficial supplements in the mix. You get lecithin. Prepare skin for a waterfall of hydration. Hyaluronic acid pulls water into the skin like a true skincare star. Vitamin E fights harmful free radicals with superhero-like skill. That's actually really good for stretch marks too, by the way. Salicylic acid exfoliates for seriously silky, soft skin. And essential fatty acids combat redness and puffiness for an oh-so-even complexion. And, you know, of course, on the back is what is in this. It went uber plain, like no even decoration. Hello. Can you get plainer Sephora? But okay then. Not like I use these bags anyway. Okay, first thing I'm gonna pull out is the sample is brioche, like our extra. And I had brioche Rosarco blow dry protection and heat protection cream, which, what do you say? It says rooted in goodness, heat protectant blow dry cream that boosts hair luster and softness. I actually like this line a lot. I like their leave-in conditioner and even their like 3-minute or 10-minute conditioner, like deep conditioner. So I'm happy to try that. Next thing I got is Party. Okay, I love Tarte blushes. I really do. I got this as a birthday gift last year, like same size. Party is a gorgeous color. You think it won't really show up because it looks kind of light, but it's gorgeous on. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it because I don't care. It actually deepens, like that's like looking light, but it actually goes on darker. It looks darker on the skin. So I'm totally cool with this because I've already made like a dent in my other, like a dent for me in blush is a lot, okay? So I'm happy to have that. Thing I got is called Do the Right Thing. This is from Biossance Squalene Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. Hydrates, brightens, and balances skin. Plant-derived squalene, non-toxic, fragrance-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, mineral oil-free, dermatologist tested, hyperallergenic, and non-comedogenic for all skin types, including sensitive skin. This is a weightless gel moisturizer infused with squalene and probiotic technology to help restore natural health and beauty. It reduces the effects of daytime stressors, leaving skin brighter and more balanced. Apply to cleanse face morning and night. Water and squalene are your first two ingredients, and it has glycerin and dimethicone, and then glycol. So yeah, it's this thing, which I've been trying some new skincare moisturizers and other things, and I'm trying to figure out what's causing this little breakout I'm having again, because it's something I switched to. But yeah, There's this little thing. It's like hard. That, that might be glass, but like a little bit of sample. Ooh, it smells good. It's like really good. Like almost like slight coconutty kind of thing, like a very slight. I will definitely try that one. Next thing I got is from Coors. This is the Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Oil for all skin types. With Wild Rose Oil, the first precious beauty elixir of the Coors Herbal Apothecary. 20 years. So this is ultra concentrated vitamin C oil that brightens even skin tone and reveals smoother and younger looking skin. Gently massage a few drops onto cleansed face and neck. Avoid the eye area. Use alone or with your favorite Wild Rose moisturizer. 94.5% natural content. And this says an ultra concentrated vitamin C face oil that reduces the look of lines and wrinkles. Formula Superpower Super C provides antioxidant protection against free radicals. Wild Rose Oil improves the look of fine lines, discoloration, and texture. And this is a bestseller. Fonsa, look at that. As long as it doesn't smell overpoweringly of rose. Like, I can stand Mario Badescu rose, that's fine, but like fresh rose is like a little too much. Okay, it's like more on the lines of that, and look, it's got that fancy like curved dopper. I mean, I'll be able to use this like a few days. Maybe this will be good, but I wonder how it'll do mix with my Tarte Maracuja, because that is like in my skincare and staying. I'm mostly looking for a slightly fragrance, like a serum type thing, but I'm happy to try that. That's cool. Next thing I got is from Algenist. This is the Genius Liquid Collagen. After cleansing and toning, apply to entire face and neck, and use only as directed for optimal results. Follow with moisturizer. This is a vegan collagen based serum. Oh, hey, I got a serum. This is also a bestseller. So is the Tarte Blush, that visibly restores skin suppleness and resilience. Naturally sourced microalgae oil beads penetrate skin in an anti-aging formula that visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Are you trying to say something? Apply dime-size amount to face, neck, and décolletage after cleansing and toning. So really, you just need a couple drops. But this is interesting. Looks like it has gold. I guess those are algae beads. I don't know about piling algae all over my face, but you never know. But I need a serum that will not break me. Oh my gosh, that's weird. It does like kind of, doesn't really squirt out. Yeah, it doesn't really squirt out. I guess you just tip and apply that. I don't know. But it actually has like beads, which is a little weird. Okay. We'll be playing with some algae later. And the last thing is this Tarte Color Splash Lipstick Reinforced of the Sea Collection in Salt Life. I don't know if I have this and I gave it away or if I still have it. Because I have a couple of these and they're really nice. It's just I always forget to use minis. Long-wear full coverage nude lipstick with a satin finish that hydrates and conditions. Ultra creamy lipstick pairs premium pigment with antioxidant rich algae again and marine flower extracts. Lips look visibly firmer, fuller, and smoother. So there's that. You can get a little decent little sample, like a neutral mauve nude. I'm gonna swatch it because I'm not sure if I have this or not. I might give it to my mom because she needs more. So overall, a good bag, because like, I mean, this blush was like one of my favorite colors that I got in Sephora Play, and like pretty much my first high-end blush that I ever got was like my Sephora birthday present, because I wasn't really into blush, and then I started using this and I freaking love it. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna like, well, yeah, look at that. That's just with the finger, the brush that goes on. It's good. I'm happy with that. And I'm happy. I'm excited all the skincare stuff. I'm like, that's a good box. I am cool with skincare. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.